2 soldiers, 1 mission, a cost no one could calculate. In 1942, British intelligence sent 2 Czech paratroopers into Nazi-occupied Prague with orders to kill Reinhard Heydrich. He was the architect of the Holocaust, one of the most feared men in all of Europe. The planners knew the odds were almost impossible. The attack went wrong from the start. Guns jammed, grenades bounced. But Heydrich still died days later from his wounds. The Nazis responded with something monstrous. They burned the entire village of Lidis to the ground. They executed every man. They sent the women and children to concentration camps. Then someone betrayed the paratroopers for cash, a fellow resistance member, a reward payment. The 2 soldiers made their last stand inside a church crypt in Prague. Outnumbered and surrounded, they never surrendered. They completed the mission. Heydrich was dead, but hundreds of innocent people paid the price. Was it worth it? History still doesn't agree. Please like, comment, share and follow The Mysterious Banker for more interesting stories.